Starting on a little motorcycle hitch. Working on for a couple hours here. And what I got a piece of 2-inch box tube. And a piece of 1.5-inch box tubing. And on the end, I cut just a little slab off and welded it on there. If you can see it, I don't know. Slides in. I have here's my safety pin. And a nut. And I'll drill that. Now, if you see here, I got 2-inch angle. Everything's laid out. I had a map that a friend of mine gave me of what the instructions were. So you can see, he gave me some crude instructions. This far to here, this far to there, this far to that. There's an overall. So what I came up with was this. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to tack it together. So forgive me for a second till I get my hood on. I'm just going to tack it together and I'll flip it around and I'll show you what we're looking at. So bear with me for just a minute. And what we're looking at is a little Max Star Heliarc rig. Max Star 150 with argon. You get a filler rod here. I'm just going to tack this up right now, and then once I get it tacked up, I'm gonna brace it up with some other angle wire. I'll flip it around and then re-weld the whole thing out here. So just gonna tag it up right. Tack. Do another one. And I got it all clamped down real solid. I laid the holes out on this table, so all the holes hopefully will match up. Turn my heat up a little bit. A little light on the heat. Clamps in the road. Okay. Got it clamped up. Got it tacked up. I'm going to take a stainless wire brush, clean them off a little bit. Should have some glasses on, I guess. Once you get it cleaned up, I'm going to unclamp it here. I might try to put another clamp underneath. And I don't know, if, when you're heliarcing, as soon as you wipe it off, when it's hot, it's nice and hot to clean it up then. If you wait till it cools down, it's not going to clean up as nicely. I think I'm going to try to get a tack underneath. Might be a little hard to do here. Have to re-suit up. The most important part, bifocals. Get a tack underneath here. I think I use a piece of 332 wire on that. But tungsten's just a little bit, I don't know, where is it at? Tungsten's just a little bit boogered up. Enough to tack, it'll be okay. Oh, I can't. Hard to reach up. As soon as you weld it, give it a little rub. I'd like to give this back corner over here a little touch of a tack, but I can't get to it right now without flipping it. So I'm going to unclamp it right now and flip it. I'm going to do some other clamping, and we'll take it from there. Don't crush anything. So this is the first one. Get it out of these clamps. And these clamps here, I don't know if you're familiar with these, but these are Beasley clamps. And they are some of the nicest fit-up clamps that you can get. Made in Germany. Anyway, here's what we're looking at. I got it all clamped together. My holes are all drilled. What I'm going to do is reclamp this. This is my pin. And the hitch. Now this is, like I said, this is going on a Harley 3-wheeler for some kind of handicap guy. I'm not sure who the fellow is. Oops. Now I'll reclamp and I'll weld this out. I'll weld over here. I'll weld this all out. Clean it up, and it's a finished project. So here's what we're looking at. And I'll check back in with you on one of my next projects.